Good evening, everybody. It's Saturday, and a lot on the table. I've been talking about all week. We got this massive Arctic outbreak coming middle to end of next week, and with that, a lot of energy on the field being the United States for potential storms to develop. When we have cold air and a lot of energy, that could spell trouble. So today we're going to take a look at what could be some storm threats. We'll revisit this over the next couple of days, see what pans out. But let's start off with blue is cold air. So take a look at, here's Monday. Watch all this blue just pour into the United States next week. Watch this. So here comes the Arctic outbreak. It just pours in, affects the whole entire country. Okay, all due to the jet stream. Really, you do not see this too often, guys. You have a big blocking ridge all the way up into Siberia. Okay, which funnels all the cold air down into the United States. Okay, huge high pressure system right here. So I'll draw H. And high pressure spins air like this, so all the air has a direct line right down into the United States. And that's why we have an Arctic outbreak. It's all due to the stratospheric warming I talked about earlier in the week. And also one other thing here, look at this. Look at this right here. This is called a jet stream split. So you have the jet stream here, going like this. It comes up like I just showed you. There's one branch. The second branch brings in subtropical moisture like this. Okay, if these two combine, that could spell trouble. You combine those and you have cold air in place. You can see where I'm going here. So the first threat we have to look at is going to be on Friday. Okay, I mentioned that a couple days ago. Here's actually our polar vortex. You know, the media loves to talk about that. But what's going to happen is a little piece spins off this vortex. So take a focus on this area. This is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. This little piece tries to dig down a little bit and develop some sort of a storm system along the East Coast. Now, last night the models had it. They actually had a decent accumulating snow event for our area. Today they don't, but we still have to watch it. Okay, so this deepens a little bit and really tries to potentially create something called a baroclinic zone, which is basically a boundary between warm and cold air. And if you get a disturbance in the atmosphere, it can spin up that warm and cold air, and you have a storm. So that's what we're going to be watching there. Again, cold air is in place. Really, I think even after Friday, we might even have bigger potential on the table for somebody in this area here to get a big storm. I'm talking a really big storm early next week. So we'll keep an eye on that too. But first, let's focus on Friday. We'll see what's going to happen. Just a little bit of eye candy here, guys. Take a look at the GFS model last night, what it was showing for Friday. Check that out. Oh, if that was to happen, that would make me very happy. But that would be, again, a 3 to 6 inch snow event on Friday into Saturday, and that would be quite the treat heading into the Thanksgiving season. Now, is that going to happen? I can't tell you right now. I think there's a lot of potential for it to happen, but I still got to study the model trends for another day or two to start to give you guys an idea of what I think is going to happen, and also keep you ahead of all the media hype on this cold outbreak and potential storm. So we're going to keep an eye on things there. A lot going on this week, so keep checking in. Blog's going to be very active, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.